Hey everyone, Train143 here. Sorry for not being active for a while. As you can see, what I got here from Target when we were buying a new desk for my new room is Trackmaster Lexi, the experimental engine featured in the movie Journey Beyond Sodor. And on the back, there's also helpful Harvey and Runaway Steven. There's it says here in the Thomas of Flynn CD movie Journey Beyond Sodor, Thomas travels to the mainland where he meets some fairly unique experimental engines like Lexi. Now, children can relive their favorite moments with this special character or create new ones. So I'm going to get this opened. And here's Lexi. Face looks nice. But in Train4's unboxing video on Lexi, he says he doesn't like Lexi, and neither does the unlucky Tug. And those rusty spots on her. And a flat bed with those spout-like things. And those wheels, and they have gear-like wheels. And they changed the back couplings on those on the couplings on the cars, just like they did with the cars on the cars with the Steelworks Thomas. And it was just a plain red hopper car with some silver scrap metal. And it's removable cargo. But anyways, I'm just gonna put 2 AAA batteries in Lexi. Oh, sorry. That wasn't. Yeah, I put the 2 batteries in Lexi. Now to get the cars coupled to her. Now when we put her on the tracks, then I'll give her a test one. Okay, I now have Lexi on the tracks. Time to give her a test one. Sorry about that. She just got stuck. Let me go help her. Oh, sorry. Just gonna have a... Sorry, she just keeps on getting stuck. It's just that redesigned engines can't run well on old track. Whoa, sorry about that. That was really a close call. And also, here's something that I should have done about almost 3 months ago. My first 2 Towers of Friends minis. I'm not sure what minis I got, but I'll open them. Oh, I got Millie. What kind of Millie is this? Is it a shooting star Millie? I'm not sure. I'll have to look at the checklist. Oh, it's not a shooting star Millie. It's actually a nighttime Millie. Millie. Not. Now let's see who my other Thomas and Friends mini is. Looks like it's a Nuts and Bolts Diesel 10. Let's see it. It seems it must be steel D10 ace And also, here's one more thing before I end this video. Here's my new table for my shunting yard I plan to put between Nafford Station and Timoth Sheds. That's right, I'm gonna connect a track between here and there. So thank you for all watching this video. So thanks for watching and bye for now.